Okay, the add to cart issue I will explain on this video. So, whenever you need to add a product to the cart, products without, for instance, options like color or size, like ring size, we have to choose a attribute on this. What ring size do you want? This one will not add to the cart. There's nothing in the cart right now. Okay. However, something like this sign doesn't have an attribute, I believe, and it'll add to the cart. So watch when I add to the cart here. Okay, so first of all, one of the issues with add to cart, if you click on the quick view here, you see the quick view, you click, all right, if I hit this, it should just add it to the cart, but it doesn't. It has this error. This should not come up like this. It should actually add it to the cart and let you continue to shop. So this is an issue here that needs to be fixed. Do you understand? I think that's self-explanatory. When you click, now see, if you notice, it says it has been added to the cart. So that issue right there, if you click here, it does add it to the cart, but it shouldn't be taking you to a page like this, showing you all the enlarged pictures. This should not be happening. This is, I believe, a PHP issue. So it should only show you, after adding it to the cart, it should show you as soon as it goes back here. It really, so you'll, like I clicked it, add it to the cart, that pop-up window goes away, and this is what it shows you. It says, Handmade Faith, has been added to your cart. That's what should show. It after you've clicked on add it to cart on this quick view, okay, this window here, after you click on this, it actually should show you this window here saying that it's added. Okay? First issue, that needs to be fixed. Second issue, when a product has an attribute or an item that's in addition. What I mean is these cards are not a good example. Let's just find a product here. The best product would be like a ring. I just got to find a ring. Aha, ring right there. Okay, so a ring has a different size. So if I were to, okay, we already know the problem with the quick view, but if I add to cart here, it warns me. It says, hey, watch. It'll tell you. Oh, it added it to cart, and I don't believe that should have done that. Because that has, okay. This was not a this was not a good example because it doesn't have an attribute that we have to select the size because it already has, it's only one size. So let me go back here and show you. So the quick view issue is the first thing you gotta remember. So here's one. This, it comes in gold and it comes in silver. Okay, when I go to click on add to cart, it's going to give me a warning. Hey, please specify the product required option. Okay, and here I have to select one of these options. Before it can be added to the cart, they have to know which. So it could be a t-shirt, a different colored t-shirt. Anytime it has one of these options that you have to choose, it'll give you this warning. Now watch what happens. If I click silver, okay, and I try to add this to cart, it brings me right back and asks me the same question. Even though I have selected one of these and I try to add it to the cart, it is not adding it to the cart, as you can see. Okay, so that's the second issue. So anytime you have an option here, okay, whether it be color, size, whatever the option that you have, and Ringmasters has a lot of products that have options. Rings have options. What size ring? Okay, even though you select the option, it doesn't ever add it to the cart. This system, for some reason, has got this glitch, will only add products that don't have options. For example, this right here. Okay, this is another issue where but if I try to add this, I don't believe that it has options. Watch what happens here. I just clicked on, cart, so watch what happens here. It's thinking, which is pretty slow. It's probably because all these are still coming up. Okay, it added it to the cart. Why? Why did it add to the cart? Well, let me show you why. You can see that there's 4 products in it. It does not have an option here. It does have an optional option of engraving, but only if you type something here. So it added it because there's not an option that you have to select. So let's just see if I do add something here, if it will actually add another one to the cart. It did. So this engraving is not affected, but any product that has an option, for instance, clothing. We'll go to t-shirts and we'll find the t-shirts. So these have options, okay? What color? So if I try to add this, now we have 5 products in the cart right now. If I try to add that, watch what happens. It says, hey, specify the product option. And then I'll go ahead and say I want a black one. I try to add it to the cart. Now watch, there's only 5. Click on this. Won't add it. Didn't add it. This asked me that again. So I select it again. Let's go with tan this time. Okay, blink. Okay, gave me the same message and did not add it. See? Okie doke. That's the option, the problem. So, if you go back, click on the logo there. This is the add to cart problems. So anytime you click on Quick View, which gives you this pop-up Quick View, you can add it. Well, it does add it, but it pops up all the big pictures, and it shouldn't do that. It should just close this window. I click on Add. It should automatically close the window, but it doesn't. It pops up all this gook. Okay, if you back up, you can see clearly that it's added it. See? It says added decorative pillow, and you can see that it is now there. You see that? Okie doke. Alright, I'll close this one and I'll try to address the other ones. Thanks, guys.